So guys, here's my new lever on the Forza. There's a logo. It's adjustable if you have long fingers, short fingers, from 1 to 6. This is foldable. You can fold it like this, and it's if you want it long or short, you can move this just only by loosening up this one. Lock. If you prefer long lever, you can do so. So that's long. If you want short, just push it back and lock it. I prefer short because it's sporty. Okay, this is silver chromed annodized aluminum alloy. This is the left side. This is designed for Honda Forza. This is Honda Forza 300 or 350. It's the same. Nice logo here. Perfect. You can fold it like this and fold it like this. Okay, let's install it. Okay, first we install the right side. This one. Okay. First we have to take this off using a screwdriver and a 10mm wrench. Once you loosen it, take this out. You have to be careful because there are some pieces that might fall. No piece. So this is the original. This is the lever. No, this is the one. Okay, that's the same. So let's try. Just put it back. Nice. It's very simple, guys. It's plug and play. Okay, it's the left side. If you want more far, if you have a long hands or short hands, You have to put it number 1. I prefer in the middle, like number 4. Okay. So this is the left side. It's the same procedure. Take this bolt here. This is the left side. We try if it's the same. Yeah, it's the same height. Just plug and play, put it there. I want it number 4. So you can fold it like that. It's foldable. I want it number 4. Plug and play, guys. Alright. Nice piece. So if you want this longer, just like this is long, just loosen this up. Just loosen it, slide. This is slidable. And it's done. It's longer like the original. This is the original. It's longer. Okay, but just what I've said, I like it more shorter, more sporty look. Okay guys, that's it. You can fold it. Fold. Okay, let's try this. So that's it guys, that's my new lever for my Honda Forza. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share. Ciao.